Hey, everyone! Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the latest and greatest in the tech world. Today, we're unpacking something super exciting, the all-new OnePlus 12 Pro. If you're all about cutting-edge tech and smartphones that push the limits, you're going to want to hear about this. So, let's get into it. First up, let's talk power. The OnePlus 12 Pro is powered by the beastly Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. What does that mean for you? Lightning-fast performance, whether you're gaming, streaming, or just zipping through apps. Moving on to the display. And oh, what a display it is! Imagine your favorite content in crystal clear 2K resolution, all smooth and fluid with a 120Hz refresh rate. This Pro XDR display is all about bringing you vibrant colors and stunning detail like never before. Let's talk battery. With a 5,400 mAh battery, you're looking at power that lasts. And when you do need a charge, the 100W SUPERVOOC charging has you covered, juicing up your phone in no time. Prefer wireless? The 50W AIRVOOC won't disappoint. Camera enthusiasts, listen up! The OnePlus 12 Pro teams up with Hasselblad for a 4th-generation camera, featuring a custom Sony sensor for absolutely stunning photos. Plus, the 3x periscope camera brings the action closer without losing quality. Up to 16 GB of RAM ensures your OnePlus 12 Pro keeps up with your busy life, seamlessly switching between tasks and apps. So, there you have it, the OnePlus 12 Pro. It's not just a smartphone. It's a powerhouse designed for the future. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a photography lover, or someone who appreciates the finer things in tech, this phone is definitely worth your attention. Make sure to hit that like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more tech updates. Got questions or thoughts about the OnePlus 12 Pro? Drop them in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Until next time, stay tech savvy, friends.